Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
We begin with that deadly road rage shooting. Good evening. I'm Erica Sargent.
And I'm Brad Edwards. A few heated seconds between two drivers forever changed lives. Our Charlie DeMar joins us live from the Streamwood Police Department. Charlie.
Brad and Erica, one person was taken into the custody by the Streamwood Police Department. Tonight, we did speak to those who knew Scott Madison. They say whatever that argument was about, that Scott did not deserve to die on the side of a road.
Video circulating online shows Scott Madison outside his blue work truck arguing with the driver of a white Ford. Madison's arm appears to enter the car moments later. Madison is shot several times. He was 46.
That he didn't deserve to die? To be, gunned down the way he was?
Madison worked as an HVAC installer at Paragon Mechanical in Arlington Heights. Kevin Polka was not only his boss, but a close friend.
He always was about his daughters.
Did it surprise you that he did get out?
I don't know if it surprised me or if I know if he didn't, he'd be here today. Scott made mistakes. He did. He wasn't perfect by any means.
Streamwood police say both Madison and the other driver got into a traffic dispute and pulled over on Bartlett Road near Oltendorf Road just before 5:30 Sunday night. Eric Lopez, who lives nearby, was outside with his dogs. He shot this video on his cell phone.
I heard a couple shots. They was arguing. One thing led to another. Consequences came.
A roadside argument now leaves two young girls without their dad and a friend asking why.
If every time someone screws up, if that's the consequence, where are we at? Right? What are we left with?
For the accused shooter in a road rage incident that claimed the life of a Northwest suburban father. CBS 2's Sal Rasai says it started with a fight and quickly escalated.
I've had the chance to talk to families on both sides of this, all of them very distraught, really still in disbelief that the argument on the road turned so tragic. This is 18-year-old Jonathan Mejia facing a first-degree murder charge along with aggravated unlawful use of a weapon. He's accused of shooting 46-year-old Scott Madison during a road rage argument in Streamwood on Sunday. Days later, family and friends still in shock.
I'm still so stunned. I don't know what to make of it. I really don't.
In court today, prosecutors breaking down what happened through witness accounts. They say it all started when the defendant drove around the 46-year-old victim's truck instead of waiting as he was backing into a driveway. The victim then chased after Mejia, eventually blocking him with his car, getting out and hitting him in the face through the driver's side window. Shortly after, prosecutors say Mejia fired his gun multiple times at the victim from inside his car. Police say after the shooting on Sunday, he drove straight to the Streamwood Police Department, where he admitted to the shooting and having a gun he knows he shouldn't have. Court documents show Mejia served over a year in juvenile detention for aggravated discharge of a gun in 2021. A longtime neighbor of Madison's family says the shooting has left her with a sense of fear.
What is going on in this world? That's all I can think.
The shooter, identified as Jonathan Mejia, was apprehended and later admitted guilt to second-degree murder on July 31st, 2023. He was sentenced to 18 years in the Illinois Department of Corrections.